Hey beautiful people, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Shubhangi. Wish you all a very happy International Pride Day. So, in honor of this day, I'm gonna create a simple yet cute rainbow eye look. So stick with me till the end. And today, I also have a little surprise for you, which is ta-da! My brand new makeup brushes. You see, they're so beautiful. I specially bought these brushes to use today and I'm so excited to use them. It doesn't have all those important eye brushes, but it's okay because I'm also gonna use my previous brush set as well as this brush set. I'm so excited for today. So, without wasting any further time, let's get started! To prime my face, I'm gonna use this Lakmé Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. Today, I thought about color correcting my face because as you can see, I have a little bit pigmentation and discoloration as well around my mouth. So today, for color correcting, I'm gonna use this TY.A Generation 2 Contour Cream Series palette. This is basically a 3-in-1 palette which has concealers, color correctors and contour shades in a cream formula. Today, I'm gonna use this orange shade right here. I'm gonna use my finger to apply this product and I'm gonna build it gradually. Today I'm gonna use this Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium. And I've also applied some green color corrector in this area where I have some pimples, but my sister forgot to record it. And I used some orange on my spots as well. So basically you will need a green color corrector to cover your redness and an orange color corrector to cover your spots, discoloration and pigmentation. I'm gonna apply this concealer on the areas where I color corrected. As you can see, this concealer is almost my exact shade. I applied this kind of shade because right now I don't need to brighten up my face. I just need to conceal the color corrected areas to give me a smooth base to start with. Now I'm gonna apply foundation, and for foundation I'm gonna use this Lakmé 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. I'm in the shade W320 Warm Caramel. Now I'm gonna use this Lakmé Absolute White Intense Stick Concealer in the shade 03 Medium. Now I've taken this Mars High Definition Ultra Fine Matte Translucent Powder to set my concealer. Now I'm gonna brush my brows with this new spoolie. To fill in my brows, I'm gonna use this Music Flower Long Wear Gel Liner in the shade Brown. To define my eyebrows, I'm gonna use Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 04 Medium Beige. I have already done my left eye look, as you can see. And now I'm gonna do my right eye look. I'm gonna prime my lid using the same Swiss Beauty concealer. Gonna set my concealer with the same translucent powder. To define my crease, I'm gonna use this new flat brush. It's so beautiful. I'm dipping the brush into this shade from the Wet n Wild Color Icon My Glamour Squad eyeshadow palette and drawing a kind of S-shaped line. Now I'm dipping the brush in this black shade and kind of outlining the line I drew to create more depth and definition to the crease. Now I'm taking this shade in a fluffy blending brush and blending out all the harsh lines below my brow bone. Now I'm cutting the crease with the same Swiss Beauty concealer. And I'm setting the concealer with the same translucent powder so that it won't crease at any cost. Now I'm using this MAC white eye pencil and tracing the previously drawn line, leaving a negative space in between. Dipping a pencil brush into this purple shade from the Hilary Rhoda K12 eyeshadow palette number 02 and stamping it right at the beginning of the white line. I'm also kind of elongating it to create indigo in future. Next, I'm dipping this pencil brush into this blue shade and I'm first blending it nicely with the elongated purple color and then putting it solely into the white line. Repeating the same process with this green shade. Taking it, stamping it, and blending it nicely with the previously applied blue shade. Next, I'm dipping the pencil brush into this yellow shade and blending it nicely with the green shade and then elongating it a little bit to create orange in the future. Now I'm dipping the brush into this red shade and I'm first blending it nicely with the elongated yellow shade to create orange and then putting it solely into the rest of the white line. Now I'm taking this frosted shimmer called Cancer from the London Girl IGOODCO Sound of Music eyeshadow palette and putting it right over the purple color. Now I'm taking this frosted shimmer called Delicate and putting it right over the indigo color. Now I'm dipping the brush into this frosted shimmer called Lure and putting it right over the blue color. Now I'm taking this shade called Poolside and applying it over the green shade. Next, I'm dipping the brush into this shade called Sexy Bitch and applying it over the yellow shade. Now I'm taking this shade called Glare and applying it over the orange shade. Lastly, I'm dipping the brush into this frosted shimmer called Sandy and applying it right over the red shade. the crease again to make the edges look crisp. I'm setting the concealer with the same translucent powder. Now I'm creating a little bit shadow of the line. I'm outlining the line with MAC black eye pencil. Now I'm dipping the brush into this brown shade from the same Wet n Wild palette and blending it downwards to smoke out the black line. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm taking this black shade in a fluffy flat brush and putting it right into my lower lash line. Next, I'm dipping the brush into this pink shade from the same Hilary Rhoda palette and using it to smoke out the black shade. Now I'm gonna use this MAC black eye pencil in my waterline. Now I'm gonna use this Hilary Rhoda Silver Shimmer Eyeliner in my negative space. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. Oh, and I've applied my eyeliner off camera. I just drew a small wing in my inner corner. Now I'm gonna coat my lashes using Maybelline New York Hypercurl Waterproof Mascara. Now I'm gonna use this lash comb to comb my lashes. I'm gonna use this Oriflame Giordani Gold Bronzing Pulse in the shade Dark Bronze to bronze my face. Now I'm gonna use this Miss Rose Blush Glow Kit number 02. I'm gonna pick this shade. Now I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty Brick Highlighter number 02. And today, I'm gonna apply it with this beautiful fan brush. I've already moisturized my lips using the Lakmé Lip Love Lip Care Lip Balm in the flavor Cherry, and I've also lined my lips, and to fill in my lips I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Mega Last lipstick in the shade Mochalicious. Lastly, I'm gonna set all the makeup in place using Kiss Beauty Aloe Fresh Makeup Fix Spray. this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Tuesday, so hit the ding ding bell icon so that you never miss an update. Make sure to follow me and my sister on Instagram and do like my Facebook page. Links are in the description box. See you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care and don't forget that you are beautiful! And don't be afraid to express yourselves because we are all different, we are all unique, we are all beautiful. Love you all. Bye bye.